Hello friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ LW650 high efficiency laser projector. So friend, the laser projector characterized by its high luminosity and energy efficiency capable of reducing power consumption by up to 70% when compared to traditional projectors and announced on 14 February. A launch date is set to 22nd February. So friend, the additional feature includes a standby mode activated in the absence of input signals and an automatic shutdown function to further conserve power. And the projector boasts a laser light source with a lifespan that supports a luminosity of up to 4000 ANSI lumens, and its design is notable for its portability, being around 0.9 kg and roughly the size of an A4 paper. And technical specifications include a contrast ratio of 3 crore Gen 1 and ability to display approximately 1.07 million colors, a projection size of around 100 inches from a distance of 2.6 to 3.3 meters, and it supports input resolution ranging from 640 into 480 and 3840 into 2160 pixels with a native panel resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. And friend, connectivity option comprise two HDMI 2.0 port, one USB Type-C port, an audio mini jack output, and 10-watt speaker. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.